Good evening, everyone. Hope you're doing well. My name is Mrs. Shivangi Sinha, Assistant Professor, New Law College, Bharati Vidyapeeth, deemed to be University, Pune, and Faculty Coordinator of Madhyasthta, the ADR Cell. I would like to welcome you all for today's session. Dear students and viewers, it's a great pleasure to introduce you all Hemant Batra sir, who is going to speak on the topic Mediation Take Leads in ADR. Hemant sir is globally reputed constitutional, corporate, commercial, and public policy lawyer and counsel with nearly 30 years of experience. He's also a mediator, arbitrator, author, writer, and speaker. He's also been elected as the vice president of SAARC law countries, which has been established in 1990 and has been the longest serving Secretary General of these particular countries. He was awarded the prestigious Mahatma Gandhi Seva Medal by the Gandhi Global Foundation for effective connecting in the legal communities as well. He is a visiting guest speaker at various international universities and institutions. Until 2020, he has spoken as a speaker for more than 175 international conferences, seminars, and workshops. Sir, we truly welcome you in today's session.
As the conflicting parties and litigants are evolving to becoming constructive and rational in their approach, alternative dispute resolution options are getting more preferred by each passing day. In recent times, one of the most forthcoming alternatives to dispute resolution has been mediation. It is a process of dialogue, negotiation, discussion, conversation, and communication initiated by the mediator to explore the likelihood of settlement between the conflicting or disputing parties. Mediation is a vibrant, systemized, collaborative course where an independent and neutral third party helps parties in a deadlock in settling disputes and disagreements by employing innovative, interactive, and tactful communication skills. Each contestant in mediation is reassured and convinced to robustly join in the resolution process. Mediators who are either trained or experienced apply diverse techniques to motivate conflicting parties to place trust as well as confidence in the mediation process and engage in a meaningfully structured dialogue. This ensures responsiveness between disputants seeking to assist the parties to reach a settlement. Undoubtedly, the mediator's expertise, aptitude, capabilities, preparations are fundamental to the outcome of a mediation proposition. Mediation is divergent to a conventional litigation-oriented justice system where law, facts, judicial precedents, and relativity drive the decision-making. In mediation, the mediator is driven by the expectation of the parties in dispute, the identification of the middle ground and the probability of the parties reaching a consensus with the aid and advice of the mediator. Well, in short, mediation is a process that is concentrated largely upon the rights and concerns of the parties. The mediator, being more than a referee, I would say, applies a comprehensive set of skills to steer the resolution course on a productive path to facilitate the parties find an ideal solution to their problems, to their deadlocks, to their disputes. Unlike other alternatives of dispute resolution, especially arbitration, mediation must have a proper methodology, agenda, plan, schedule, dynamics. The mediation procedures are like in-camera proceeding. It is private. It's confidential. Predominantly, partaking in mediation is usually voluntary. The mediator is neither a negotiator nor a judge or an arbitrator. He simply acts as a non-aligned, unbiased third party and facilitates instead of judging or determining the process. Mediation is developing as an effective, non-adversarial, and universally recognized alternative for resolving the disputes, notwithstanding the nature and extent of the dispute. Contenders may mediate on their differences or disputes in a range of realms, such as industrial, commercial, trade, businesses, legal, diplomatic, employment related, civic, and family matters, and so on. In the legal jurisprudence, mediation has been adopted as a formal kind of treatise of alternative dispute resolution, resolving disputes between two or more parties with specific principles. In many parts of the world, it has also been, codified, thereby granting it absolute legitimacy. Yes.
On behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth, deemed to be University, New Law College, Pune, and Madhyasthta, the ADR Cell, it's an honor and pleasure to propose the vote of thanks for this insightful session. First of all, I would like to thank Hemant sir for providing valuable insight on the topic Mediation Takes Lead in ADR. I'm sure students have a lot of partaking from this session. My special thanks to the Principal in Charge and Dean, Dr. Ujjwala Bindale ma'am, for a constant support and guidance. I would also like to thank the management of our college for their technical support. And last but not the least, would like to thank all our viewers for being such a lovely audience. We hope to see you soon. With this, we come to an end for today's incredible session. Thank you so much.